So welcome back to Leo Builds It, and today's final episode of the Hackingtosh build. I've already installed the bootloader for Clover, the bootloader for Enoch. I did the Ethernet driver. I just did the wireless driver that's going to require me to restart the machine. But you guys are going to see the reboot from start. My beautiful AMD Hackintosh restart. So I'm going to go ahead and hit restart here. Okay. And you can see my reflection in the screen. It's shutting it down. And no signal. And MSI, not Apple. It's the first time it boots the hard drive on its own. What? Let's reboot my Mac OS. You know, it's only a minor inconvenience that I can't boot from the bootloader. So I'm gonna have to look and see what causes that error message, why it's not coming up. I have the bootable thumb drive. Boot from Mac OS Leo. Hit enter. And this only takes a couple minutes. So yeah, I need to figure out what happened with that boot device not showing up correctly. So it'll boot correctly into Mac OS like it should. And then go from there. And that's my startup page for my Mac OSX. Let's go. Password. And it's booting. And that's just doing that because it doesn't have a video driver. But here we are, Mac OS X. Okay. So if I click here, about this Mac Pro, as you see, the CPU comes up as unknown with 1600 megahertz of DDR3. The startup disk is Leo. It does not have a graphics driver yet. I haven't gotten that far. But that's what I got so far on it. So I have a working or pseudo working Mac OS install. I have to fix the bootloader. I have to fix the Wi-Fi or get a Wi-Fi adapter that's Mac compatible. I have to fix the driver issue for the video. I haven't plugged in any speakers to it yet, and I want to see about the ELO touchscreen. See if the touchscreen works. The touchscreen does not work, so that's another thing I want to do to make it user friendly. But this is going to be my iMovie / Final Cut Pro or Final Cut workstation to do edits and so forth, so I can edit my videos and make it look more presentable and have voiceover and pizzazz. Again, so for a $60 build, this is great. Really, it is really great for me anyway. It may not be ideal for a lot of people or the Mac crowd, but for a guy like me who have been strictly PC based last 20 years, I have one Power Mac from like 12 years ago that's completely outdated. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This has been a great learning experience. I'm making Hackintoshes for me and being more open-minded and patient with it. This is the third attempt. This is what I'm set up with. Mac OS 10.13.2 High Sierra on an AMD CPU. The build cost me $60, 30 for the motherboard, 30 for the CPU, free RAM, free hard drive, free video card, free power supply, free keyboard and mouse, a couple of thumb drives. Like a lot of nights staying up late trying to get shit to work. A lot of nights. This is my third full run attempt. It finally worked for me. I need to figure out the bootloader process. Number one. Number two, video drivers. Number three, Wi-Fi dongle so I can get on the internet wirelessly. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are watching this a lot more now. I'm hoping to have this rig set up so I can edit the videos. I'll be shooting with my GoPro and my Sony Handycam so that I can make more videos that are higher quality and not so elementary. But thank you guys for watching and bearing with me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Thank you for watching Leo Builds It. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Also, if you guys would, share would help me out a lot. If you guys share my videos with your friends and family, even if you guys make fun of me, as long as you guys share, I'm cool with it. I'm always open for suggestions, so tell me what you guys think I should do next. I'm going to shoot a video on my drill press that I rebuilt a couple of weeks ago, and it's looking a lot better now. I just need the one final piece, and once I find that final piece, I'll have that video going for you guys. Again, thank you for watching Leo Builds It. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I appreciate you guys sticking out through the very end. Please comment, like, and subscribe.